There's Chris. Can I have a go? It's RBC KITS SKYRAY. A grey aeroplane and a grey sky. What could go wrong, Chris? It goes well, doesn't he?
Oh, there we go.
What's that?
Well, I'm just going to see now. $87. Hey, 109 miles an hour.
You sure that's not kilometres?
Huh?
Sure that's not K's?
What's that, sorry?
Sure that's not kilometres?
No, it's in miles per hour.
Ah.
What I haven't got is a picture of Betty telling me that, which I probably should have.
Uh-huh.
Altitude 440.8 feet. I know, it's 400 feet. Stop lying. I must have forgot to reset the altitude.
Yeah.
At least I'm getting the data. That was that's what I wanted to check.
Yeah. What have you plugged in there now?
It's a Spectrum GPS.
Oh, GPS one.
So it should give me. I mean, I've already got altitude, but it should give me speed now.
Yeah.
It's just a gimmick, really. Just cruising now. Keep the battery going. Towards landing now, because we have so much time flying these jets in the air.
Yeah. They certainly eat up the batteries, don't they?
Like, you can't even tell the fucking undercarriage is down. I can't see.
Yeah, it is. It's down, yeah. It is. And the ordinary undercarriage is down as well.
Oh yeah. You need both, I reckon.
Yeah. Yeah, all three are down. Spiffy.
Yeah. So, I wonder if it's recorded in the log.
It's what?
111.8 miles per hour
Blimey.
was the max.
Yeah.
That's not bad, actually.
No.
Considering I can't really get it up to get it into a dive or anything else, because it was a bit tricky to see, wasn't it, I think?
It is. God, we need to do something with this grass. It's been too wet to do anything, hasn't it?
It's rolling, doesn't it? Look at the state of that.
Yeah.
It's dancing.
Yeah.